Hi, my name is Ashley Jablonski, and I will be attending Rochester Institute of Technology. So my top three colleges were George Washington University, Rochester Institute of Technology, and Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. Although really it was a bit of a race between George Washington and RIT, Rochester. I found through a lot of research and digging through websites and YouTube videos of current students that RIT seemed to be much more focused and had a much stronger program for computing security. So I've been geeking out about this for the past couple months, but RIT just built a new global cybersecurity institute, a whole building dedicated to cybersecurity. I think you can tell how excited I am about this. So I'm going to have a lot of classes in there, and one of the coolest rooms, in my opinion, is the cyber range, which is a fully decked out situation type room, like the ones you see in movies, and students will get to go in there and actually run through simulations of different cyber scenarios as part of class, which I think is just so cool. So I attended the ID Tech cybersecurity course the first year that it was offered, and I think that was when I realized, yes, this is exactly what I want to do, because I had such a fun instructor and he really made it fun and kind of showed us the ropes. I was like, this is absolutely something I want to do. I think being on a college campus for ID Tech really helped with the idea of being more comfortable with choosing a college that is farther away from home, and got me ready for a college dorm type life, because we were sleeping over in the dorms for 1 or 2 weeks. And so it kind of made me a bit more comfortable with deciding to go a bit farther away from home. Like, my work is going to have an impact on people, and I'm going to be able to help a lot of people, because cybersecurity and computing security is something that is so important in our world today. I am extremely grateful for ID Tech, and I'm extremely grateful for my time at ID Tech. In fact, ID Tech is the entire reason that I do computing security and computer science in general. Up until I did that first ID Tech camp, I was just absolutely determined to be a marine biologist. And I was obsessed with the ocean, just so excited about it. And I am absolutely 100% positive if I didn't go to ID Tech when I did, I would probably be going into a marine biology field right now, and not this. So I am just really, really grateful for ID Tech.